So didn't really have time to work on the truck to get the motor pulled for this week, but next week video is most likely going to be the Mustang. But fixed the four-wheeler, it's right behind me. I guess we can do a video of that. Let's ride. Okay, so while I was editing the video, I realized I didn't talk about what the actual four-wheeler was. So it's a 2010 Honda Rincon. Bought it about 2 months ago, and everything that I filmed for this video was probably shot a week after I bought it. I bought it to paint this color and make it look a little bit better. The red was completely faded, as you'll see in the video, but just decided I was going to take it, sand it, and paint it that gray. I think it came out decent, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so if you see right down in there, it's looks like crap. So I gotta get this whole POS snorkel out of here so I can fit the new 2-inch instead of 1.5-inch snorkel coming from side-by-side stuff. So I just gotta figure out how they ran this. Clearly, whoever did it was not the brightest. When everything else fails, cut it out. Man, that thing's crushed. No wonder it was getting suffocated top speed. I'm sure once I fix this, yeah, I'm almost certain once I fix this, I'll probably have a greater top speed than 54. Put a new spark plug in there, possibly a new fuel injector. I'll probably be able to go way quicker than 54. I guess we'll see. And then you got your winch wires, your power wires. Why he ran a ground all the way to the battery, I don't know. I'm gonna have to rewire a lot of things. At least you use, it's crimped way too much. Okay, so you see all these bends in this? It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be a nice form-fitting fit, and I know for the Recons, it's a 2-inch intake for the snorkel. This is only 1.5 inches. So what he did was just pumped it full of silicone so water didn't seep through there, but you could put your hand over the snorkel and it would still run. So how he thought that was a good idea, I've yet to figure out. So I'm just glad I got this crap. I'm gonna have to replace the airbox most likely, or at least this piece, which puts me even more behind because I'm still waiting on stuff, and this is day 2. Well, guess let's get at it. Okay, so all the plastic's off. Took off the headlights, and I wanted to see if these side shooter LEDs would mount up, and there's actually a bracket that's built right there. I'll throw the plastic on just to see how they look. Okay guys, so done a little bit of work. It's day, I don't know, he'll say right below. So we have the parts already getting painted. You can see right there, right there, right there. These are all the red plastics that are no longer going to be red. And then you have all the other pieces, foot guards and all that. They have all been bed lined. Including this little piece right here. So everything else is getting ready over here. That one's already been bed lined. Drilling out the rivets, so I got the thing out. So everything else is going to get sanded and primered today. Still looking like a snack over here. Everything laid out. Oh my goodness. Too much stuff to deal with right now. CV axles were replaced. Weren't really too hard. If you guys want a video, put it down in the comments. I don't mind taking it back out and put it back in just to show you guys, or do the rear, because I didn't get a chance to do the rear. But everything else is in. Switch light, dry box, new Rockville lights for out in the trail, the new snorkel, that kind of thing. Everything else is pretty much here. I think I'm only waiting on one more thing. I think it's the stickers to go around. But other than that, everything else is going to be pretty much all here. There's not much left to do besides just paint the plastics and put it back on and wire in everything. So yeah, let's get back at it. So I might have forgotten to take off these. I already drilled off the rivets, but try to pop these things loose. Probably not going to put these back. Probably going to put something else there. It's like a metal plate that says something. I don't know. Maybe. I got this one. Start at the corners. My suggestion. Get in there with the knife. Just pop it up. I might put them back on. I'm not sure yet, so I don't want to ruin them. Maybe some goop off. Something like that would help, depending on how tight yours is. Let's see if I can just pull it off. There we go. Sorry about that. Oh. Guess I need to sand 2 spots before I finish priming this, because I was already starting to prime it, and that's all these.